Дорогие ребята, с вами снова Феликс, и сегодня я буду играть в премьер-лигу и сыграю сегодня против Johnston. Вот мой состав на эту игру. Вот, признание в атаке, я смотрю, что принимаю по защите, Альба Пикет Сагна. На защите отдыхаем, на воротах и так мы приступаем. Выбираем на выездную форму и начинаем играть. Там я начинаю матч.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. It's with the striker. Oh, there's an opening here. Oh, good block there. And that's well out by the defender. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, well-timed.
Итак, друзья, я продолжаю матч. Тут по мне была пауза, поэтому начинаем.
Well intercepted. What a well-timed tackle. Played in field. And there's the shot.
Oh.
Well, that's high and won't trouble the keeper. Let's see that one. Forward from the keeper. Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. The defender's back on the ball. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Great footwork there. Good defending. Corner kick now. And that's into the box. Ronaldo shoots. Oh, well timed. It's whipped into the... Good save. And the referee has indicated a corner. And that one swung into the box. He's found an opening. He should have been on target. Let's take another look at that. Here's Mane. Messi, and that will be a free kick. The assistants kept... He must score. Sanya with a tackle. Sanya gets it clear. What a well-timed tackle. Well cut out. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Half time then. Let's hope for some goals in the second half.
Так, с вами был Феликс, это был первый тайм матча. Вот, покажу вам статистику. 52 на 48 в пользу Джонстона, 4 ударов, 1 попадание, 2 угловых. Точность передач 88 на 27, 1 нарушение, 1 офсайд. Ну, короче, это был первый тайм, сейчас я сниму второй тайм матча.